andito tayo ngayon sa Banawi Heritage Museum and magbibigay ako ng sneak peek kung ano ba yung makikita natin sa Banawi Heritage Museum. Madami kasing nagtatanong na mga kaibigan ko, locals here in Ifugao, kung ano daw yung makikita sa Banawi Heritage Museum. Kaya let's go! So, pagpunta pa lang natin dito, andito na si Bugan and Wigan, which is according to Ifugao mythology, Bugan and Wigan is the ancestors of Ifugao that lived in the municipality of Kiangan. Tara na! Let's go! Papasok na tayo sa Banawi Heritage Museum and we allow visitors or guests to take pictures and video pero bawal magdala ng malalaking bags. Let's go! Okay, so andito na tayo sa loob ng museum. And as you can see, yung mostly na makikita nyo dito is bulols or rice gods. But in Ifugao term, we call it bulols. Yan. And we have a lot of valuable items here inside the museum na hindi na nakikita sa labas. Dito lang sa museum. So here in this area, this is one of my favorite part in this museum kasi I appreciate the wood carvings na andito. So we have the Hagabi chair, which is famous here in Ifugao because Hagabi chair or Hagabi bench is only for the rich people. Yung mga mayayaman lang noon yung may ganitong Hagabi bench. And we also have different scarecrows which is placed in the fields, in the palace. To scare, of course, to scare the birds and yung mga insects na kakain sa mga palace. Okay, so tara sa taas, mas madami po doon. Okay, so papunta na tayo sa second part ng Banawi Heritage Museum. And I assure you na hindi po sayang yung 300 pesos na entrance fee nyo. And for students or senior citizens, may 50 pesos po na discount. Maganda po dito mag-research or yung for history subjects, AP subjects, and basta about culture and history po. So here, super dami po. So dito, we also have a research area. So yung mga mahilig magbasa, meron pa tayong books dito. And then you can also rest here in this area. So yun, sneak peek lang tayo. Hindi ko isa-isahin yung bawat items. So mag-visit na lang kayo dito. Entrance fee of 300 pesos only. For senior citizens or students, is only 250 pesos. Super worth it po yung 300 or 250 pesos nyo. Madami pa kayong matututunan about history of Ifugao. Hindi lang Ifugao, kasi some of the items here are from the different provinces of Cordillera. Kaya mag-visit na kayo.